Hi friends, now we shall discuss about the torque equation of a DC motor. So when the machine is operating as a motor, the torque is transferred to the shaft of the rotor and drives the mechanical load. And the expression is the same for the generator and motor. So when the current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, a force is exerted on it, which exerts a turning moment, nothing but a torque. And the torque is nothing but force into distance. So this torque is produced due to the electromagnetic effect. Hence, it is called electromagnetic torque. The rotational force is nothing but a torque. So, that rotational force into that rotational displacement, that rotational angle is considered as a displacement. So, we can consider it as torque. The torque which is produced in the armature is not fully used at the shaft for doing the useful work. Some part of it gets lost due to the mechanical losses, and the torque which is used for doing that useful work is known as the shaft torque. Since the voltage equation for the motor V will be equals to the back EMF plus the drop in the armature, nothing but Ia into Ra, where Ia is nothing but the armature current and Ra is nothing but the armature resistance. Thereby the drop across the armature can be considered as IaRa. Therefore, V will be equals to Eb plus IaRa. Now we are multiplying with the armature current on both sides of this first equation. Thereby, V into Ia will be equals to Eb Ia plus Ia square Ra. So, the total electrical power supplied to the armature must be equal to mechanical power developed by the armature plus losses due to armature resistance. Now, the mechanical power developed by the armature is considered as P suffix M. That will be equals to back EMF Eb into armature current Ia. And we are considering it as third equation. The mechanical power that rotates the armature can be given regarding the torque T and the speed N. That Pm will be equals to omega into T. That will be equals to 2 pi N T. N is nothing but the revolutions per second. We already know that omega is equals to 2 pi F, where F is nothing but cycles per second. Here we are considering it as rotations per second, nothing but revolutions per second. So we are considering it as N, 2 pi N. Omega will be equals to 2 pi N, small n, okay, into T. That is nothing but the mechanical power that rotates the armature can be given regarding torque T and that speed N. Pm will be equals to 2 pi Nt. Hence, we are equating those 3 and 4 equations. 2 pi Nt will be equals to Eb into Ia, thereby the torque developed at the armature T, let it be T, that will be equals to Eb into Ia by 2 pi N. We already know that from the EMF equation of a motor, Eb will be equals to pi Zn into P by 60 into A, where N is the speed in revolutions per minute. In order to convert it into seconds, and we are replacing it as small n, that will be equals to capital N by 60. So where N is the speed in revolutions per second, therefore the torque equation will be T will be equals to pi Z P by 2 pi A into Ia. We are considering the constants as K. Here the constants are nothing but, for a particular DC motor, the number of poles and the number of conductors per parallel path are constant. Once it is designed, it will be constant. Hence, we are considering them as constant. Therefore, torque will be equals to K pi Ia. From this equation, we can say that the torque is directly proportional to pi Ia. That means the torque is purely depending upon the flux as well as the armature current. So from this equation, we can say that the torque produced in the armature is directly proportional to flux per pole and the armature current. And moreover, the direction of the electromagnetic torque developed in the armature depends upon the current in the armature current conductors. If either of the two is reversed, the direction of the torque produced will be reversed. If both are reversed, there will be no change. If only any one got changed, then only the torque will be reversed, either the flux or the armature current. If any one of them got changed, then only the direction can be reversed. If both are reversed, there will be no change. Thank you.